In this video, I will show you how to fix OneDrive error code 0x8007016a in Windows. So guys, to resolve this problem, so firstly click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Apps, click on Installed Apps. Here search OneDrive. Then click on these three dots, Advanced Options. Here is the option Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. Just click on Repair and wait for few seconds. Then click on Reset. And make sure if this app is still not working right, the app's data will be deleted once you reset. So app's data will be deleted. Close it and restart your PC. After restart, reopen OneDrive and sign in your OneDrive account with your Microsoft signing conditional. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix all problem for OneDrive in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment if this method work for you or not.